is our topic. Now in this topic we will discuss about the spread of rebellion. After a week, regiment after regiment mutinied and took off to join other troops at the nodal points like Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. People from towns and villages rallied under the leadership of Nana Sahib at Kanpur, Birjis Kader at Lucknow, Rani Lakshmibai at Jhansi, Kanwar Singh at Bihar and Bakht Khan in Bareilly. So they were different leaders at different places. So Britishers were outnumbered by the rebel forces, means they were less in number and they were defeated in number of battles. Ahmadullah Khan was a Maulvi from Faizabad. He wanted to end that British rule and large number of supporters rallied behind him. He came to Lucknow to fight the Britishers. A large number of Ghazis or religious warriors came together to wipe out the white people in Delhi. Bakht Khan was soldier from Bareilly and he took charge of large number of soldiers. Now next topic was company fight back. Company fight back means when they were defeating at different points, they adopted different policies to fight back. The company brought reinforcement from England. They passed new laws to fight back. They wanted to suppress the revolt with all its might. New laws were passed to make it easy to convict the rebels. The company then moved forces into storm centers of revolt. Delhi was captured from the rebel forces in September 1857. So it was recaptured by the Britishers. Bahadur Shah Jafar, who was leader of rebellions, was arrested. He was tried in court and sentenced to life imprisonment and sent to Rangoon with his Begum Zeenat Mahal. His sons were shot dead before his eyes. The last Mughal emperor died in Rangoon jail in November 1862. So it took almost 2 years completely to control the situation. Lucknow was recaptured in March 1858. Rani Lakshmibai was killed in battle in June 1858. Tantia Tope was escaped to jungle of central India and he was continued to wage a guerrilla war. Guerrilla war means attack by hiding themselves in the forests or in the mountains. So he was captured and tried and killed in April 1859. So all the important rulers were ended by the Britishers. That map shows the main centers of revolt and you have to fill the places in map of India. You can see that map in your textbook. Fill up the main centers only like Delhi, Meerut, Bareilly, Lucknow, Kanpur, Jhansi and Faizabad were the main centers. So you fill all the main centers. Aftermath means what was the result of the rebellion. The British could regain the control of country by the end of 1859 by ending all the main leaders. But the situation had changed to such an extent that they were not in position to rule the country with their earlier policy. So they make many changes in their policies. A new act was passed in 1858 by the British Parliament. The new act transferred the power of East India Company to the British Crown. Now the East India Company was not having power to rule India. All the power was taken over by the Queen of England. So India came under rule of Queen of England. This was done to ensure a more responsible management of Indian affairs. a member of British cabinet was appointed as Secretary of State for India, and he was given responsibility to handle all the matters of India. A council called India Council was given to him, and the title of Governor General changed to Viceroy. Means they were not called Governor General now, they were called Viceroy. Viceroy was representative of British Crown. Thus, British government accepted the direct responsibility of ruling India. All the ruling chiefs of the country were assured that their territories would not be annexed in future. As you have heard that in Awadh was annexed, territory of Rani Jhansi was annexed, and Peshwa Baji Rao's territories were annexed. So they were assured, all the ruling chiefs were assured that in future their territories will not be annexed. And the decision was taken to reduce the proportion of Indian soldiers, as they have faced the problem that number of British soldiers was less in army. So the Indian soldiers were handling all the position during 1857 revolt. So they decided that in future number of Indian soldiers will be less, and the number of British soldier will be increased in Indian army. And decision was also taken not to recruit soldiers from Awadh, Bihar, Central India and South India, as they were active participants in revolt. The decision to recruit more soldiers from Gorkhas, Sikhs and Pathans and Muslims were treated as suspicion and hostility. So they were suspected by the Britishers. Their properties and lands were confiscated on large scale. And the British decided to respect the customs, religious practices and social practices of Indians. And they decided that they will not interfere in their religious and social ceremonies. So policies were made to protect the landlords and zamindars and given them security to rights over their lands. So Britishers, according to their new policies, tried to please all the groups of Indian society.